Hello and welcome to this week at Sci-Port. My name is Kenneth Smith and I am your demonstrator for today. And today we're going to look at things that change states. Not like people, we're talking about the three phases of matter. But the one that we want to talk about the most is going to be cold and gas. So what I have here is a bucket of liquid nitrogen. And you will notice that when I pull out my liquid nitrogen, it is boiling. Well, you also notice that if it was hot water, it would rise toward the ceiling, which means this is going to have to be cold because it sinks toward the ground. Is it boiling? Yes. Well, why is liquid nitrogen boiling? Well, liquid nitrogen boils because room temperature is like an oven to liquid nitrogen. That means the liquid nitrogen would have to be really, really cold. So comment down below if you think you know how cold liquid nitrogen really is. So, I'm going to take just an ordinary everyday balloon, the same ones that we always use every day, all day, and I'm going to put this balloon into the liquid nitrogen. And a lot of people may already know what they believe is going to actually happen. Wait, we're missing something very important. Gotta protect myself. So if you're trying this at home or anything that you're doing at home, always protect yourself. Okay. Well, let me talk to you for a second because this face shield's not gonna let me do it. So I'm gonna pour this liquid nitrogen on top of the balloon and we're gonna see what happens to the balloon. Oh, look at that. What is going on with my balloon? Well, the liquid nitrogen is cooling it. Liquid nitrogen is cooling the air inside of the balloon. And what's so great about that is it's actually slowing down because it's losing energy. And because of that lack of energy, the air is moving closer and closer to each other. The particles or the molecules are moving closer to each other. And so it's saving space inside of our bucket of liquid nitrogen. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you think you know how many balloons that are in this bucket, comment down below. I'm going to put the top on that. I'm going to pull over one of these. Everybody's favorite candy, Peeps. You got your Peeps? I got my Peeps. And we're going to see what happens if we drop one of these inside of liquid nitrogen. Now, luckily for us, I already done that. So once again, if you didn't catch that, luckily for us, I've already done that. And so we're going to go from a squishy little marshmallow Peep to something that's a little harder. So watch and see what happens when we hit that with a hammer. It looks like it's pretty crispy, doesn't it? That's because the liquid nitrogen has frozen it, and so it took all those little molecules and it moved them all really, really close together, and it became like a solid, and it made that just a little bit easier to crush or to bump or to hit with the hammer. Now, earlier I asked you guys how many balloons did you think that I could fit, or did you think was inside of the bucket? So let's find out. And I've got, that's not a balloon. I've got one, maybe two. Where are all these balloons coming from? How about three? Maybe four. Wow, that's a lot of balloons. Five. Six. 7, 7 balloons. Did you guys think there'd really be 7 balloons in there? Probably not. But as you can tell, now that they're heating up more, the air is starting to space out like it was in the beginning, and it is inflating the balloons. Oh yeah, that sometimes happens too. Oh, well, I guess now we only have 5. So, for our last thing, we're going to create what's called a plume. So follow me, follow me, follow me, and we're going to go right over here. Now, we said that liquid nitrogen was a negative 320 degrees below zero. So I'm going to take this boiling water, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pour it into the negative 320. And what I want you guys to think about is we're going from one extreme to the other. I'm going to put my face shield on to protect my face, because I like my face, and here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Awesome.
I'm okay, but maybe my face shield is not. So thank you guys for coming. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. See you at Sci-Port.